In January, you need your kale crops, cabbage, broccoli, your root crops like potatoes, uh, rutabaga, whatever. Your part of the country, your climate. Look at your climate. If you're way up north, you're not going to survive when I get here in Louisiana. You've got to know your climate, then you start preparing your garden in January.
Okay, so could I put onions, shallots, and say garlic in the garden in South Louisiana right now?
Yeah, actually, I planted my garlic the other day. About 3 months later, should have been in the ground back in October.
Right, because it is actually a cold crop, and we actually harvest it between April and June. So what you just did was make your harvesting back up till July.
If it makes it that long in the heat.
And the heat. So that's right, guys. So that's what we're saying. Know what crops go in the ground in what season.
That's right. And look, do your pruning now when the plants are dominant. All the power's in the roots right now. Your tops are just there.
They're basically dead.
Yeah. So if you go in there right now and cut out all the limbs that's rubbing and cut your, I cut my fig trees back about chest high. I'm not going to climb a ladder to pick a fig. It don't make sense. Your professional growers don't. They cut them off.
That's right.
And just keep that tree producing.
Same thing with your apples. Now, I read an article the other day for Southeast Louisiana. Winter is the time to put in your fruiting trees, believe it or not.
Oh yeah, they're dominant. It gives them roots time to settle down and get settled.
That's right.
And then when the spring hits and they start to grow, they already settled up. And something else, if you use cardboard, lay your cardboard in your mulch on top, it kills the grass roots. And as those roots die out, you got a channel leading right into the ground. Your minerals, everything you need is going to go to your plants.
So you're technically, as the plant dies, the roots die in the soil, feeding the soil.
That's right. And then also, the cardboard brings those worms up, and it don't take but a year or two, and you'll have a heck of a garden.
That's right.
A raised bed. I mean, it'll work.
It will work.